Hey everyone, this is Michael Tritthart, International Technology Instructor, and we have a class coming to Joplin, Missouri on June 5th. This is going to be a day-long workshop, so you want to bring your laptop, want to bring your tablet, be ready to apply these techniques right in the class. We're going to start with Become Google Great. I'm going to show you all of the fabulous things that you can do with Google, the vast majority of which are completely free for your business. And the record, just for this part of the session, I had somebody add $500,000 annually to their bottom line from these techniques. So you definitely do not want to miss out. We'll take a in-house lunch break for 30 minutes, then we'll come back in the afternoon and we're going to start generating more leads for free. This is what I call the potpourri class. It's a little bit of this, it's a little bit of that. The record for this session, 63 listings in 1 hour for one agent. You do not want to miss this day. This is going to change your business for the better. If you attend in person, it is going to be completely free. So you're going to join us in Joplin. On-site registration with that QR code on the far left. If you want to join via Zoom, you can do so. You're going to use that one in the middle. Total cost for the day is going to be $50 for you to attend via the Zoom. So we look forward to seeing all of KW Joplin and their guests in-house, and then everybody nationwide. You can join us via Zoom. Wednesday, June 5th, 2024. Do not want to miss this one. See you soon. Thanks.